What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to day 4 of 15 days of Brinkley RV tours. Today we are checking out this Brinkley Model I 275, and I gotta say, this one is definitely looking nice because it's got that brand new front automotive front cap. That is a nice front cap. It's got a great layout inside. Definitely another great couples coach. We're gonna start on the outside, then head inside. Let's get to it. Starting on the outside of this Brinkley Model I 275, up front you're going to have your Lippert electric tongue jack. You're going to have the easy latch system, and then you're going to have your 2 propane tanks. Heading over to the side, under here you're going to have your water connections, your cable, your satellite, all that good stuff. And then what's really cool about Brinkley is they give you this retractable water hose, so you don't have to bring your own water hose. It's just it retracts, it pulls out, and it's all on a reel inside. You also have your controls for its extending and retracting the stabilizing jacks, and then you have all of your water pump and all that stuff back here, which is nice and hidden away. You got your solar inverter, and then the slam latch doors. Now these Brinkleys, they have a painted aluminum skin on the outside backed up to Asdel. And you also have these frameless windows, which have the see-through stickers over them so you can see out, but you can't really see in, but it really carries the paint design over the window. So it looks natural. It doesn't look like a window is in the way. And then this right here is a great look at the drop frame, which allows you to have that space up underneath of the bed where it's that little walk-in basement. You do have your stabilizing jacks, and then you have your sewer hose canister where you just slide your sewer hose in and it doesn't have to go up in your underbelly storage area. You do have your gray water dump. You have these really nice, great quality tires with TPMS systems on them. And then you do have one slide out on this unit. You do have your ladder here on the back. You are prepped for the Furrion backup camera, frameless windows, hot water on demand, your furnace, and then you do have a trailer hitch, which is capable of carrying about 300 pounds, but it's only for putting a bike rack on or stuff like that. You cannot tow with it, so don't use it for towing. And then check these out. I mean, these are so nice. They're the really sleek tail lights. Over on the camp side, you're going to have this large awning, more frameless windows, an exterior outlet. It's really nice. And then your other side of the pass-through storage. You have the really nice MoreRide handrail. You just pull it out and then slide it down in place, and it really gives you a lot of grip points as you head inside the RV. And then you're going to have these stairs, which it's definitely a new kind of stairs system that we're seeing. They fold up into the RV. But the tread is plastic, so that's definitely interesting. All right, let's head inside. So when you first come in, it is kind of just one big living room, huge setup, you know? You've got your entertainment center. You have that narrow window, a large TV up above. You got your Rockford Fosgate sound system, which we'll take a look at the control panel in just a moment. You do have the pull-out dining room table. Some storage up underneath, a little cubby down in here, and then your fireplace. Over into the kitchen, you've got another nice eye-level window, and then you have this really nice sprayer faucet, huge farmhouse sink, another one of these cool corner cabinets. I really love those. And then check out all that space. Up here, you're gonna have more storage, and again, you do get the access to unplug or plug in your microwave, which is really nice. A lot of RVs, the plug is, once they plug it in, it's hidden behind a panel and it's very difficult to access. You have this large microwave, really nice 3-burner cooktop, lots of pull-out drawers, And then you have your large trash bin. And then you have the signature Brinkley paper towel holder. So pretty cool. Over here is going to be some more pull-out drawers. These are really nice, all soft close. So super nice. One more right here, and then all of this cabinet space. And they even give you an outlet if you have an appliance that you don't want left out on the counter but needs to be plugged in. You can plug it in and tuck it away inside that cabinet. Over here is going to be your refrigerator. Really large fridge. Got these little cubbies in these side doors. And then you've got a pull-out freezer. The slide out that is pretty much flush on the floor. And then you have your theater seating. So these right here, they recline. You pull up on the lever. And just like that, you can recline yourself back. So, I mean, it's really nice, touches the wall, and that's what a wall hugger is. It maximizes every bit of reclining space. And then you're gonna have your cup holders, a little center console, your switch, which they have dimmers on them, which is really nice. So you can adjust how bright you want the lights in the slide, or all the lights actually are dimmable. So that's really cool. Over here, you're going to have your hide to bed. So this right here pulls out into roughly about a queen size bed. Lots of storage space up here. Really nice. A cubby, a mirror, more storage there. And then right here is going to be your control panel. Now this right here is where you can bring in and out your awning, your slide, adjust your lighting inside, connect, you check your battery levels, your tank, all that stuff. And then you have your Rockford Fosgate sound system, which that's what those speakers are. So that's really cool. Soft close on everything. 2 little towel hooks, coat hooks. And then you've got this really nice bathroom. But first, let's check out the bedroom. So this right here is a king size bed. You've got this nice storage space on each side, that huge front window, and then you do have these lights, which you can unscrew them, adjust them in all different ways. So that's really cool. It's a nice little reading light. Up here, you got storage, which passes all the way to the other side. There's still one cabinet down the end. And then over here, you're going to have these little drop down hangers, so you can hang a bag or a coat or anything like that. And here you're going to have lots of storage space. You have your water heater control. And then this right here, I'm going to leave this door open because you'll see what that is in just a minute. And then right here, you've got a large pull-out drawer. And something that's really nice is you can close off your bedroom with the full door. So that's really cool. And it has this little knob here on the wall that catches it. So it's magnetic and your door doesn't freely swing all the time. And then you have this huge window, which is really cool. I also love this little hallway window. Lets in a lot of really nice natural light. Now coming into the bathroom, it's pretty nice. You've got this little shelf up top, some towel hooks, max air vent fan. And then in the shower, I'm 6'2" and I've got a pretty decent amount of space. You do get the really nice rain head, whatever you want to call it, this crazy big shower head, and then you do get a seat in the corner. Over here, you're going to have a gold sink, lots of storage space underneath, pull-out cabinets, and then Liquify, which happens to be today's sponsor of the video. This right here is hands down the best RV toilet treatment in the industry. We've been RVing for over 15 years, and guys, this is the best. I mean, it's made with enzymes and bacteria which help break down your waste. It prevents odors, and it even cleans your sensors. It's made in America, and it comes in this bottle, which it measures out 1 ounce, which is all you need for a 40-gallon tank. You guys, if you want to stock up on Liquified, they've got gray tank treatment, they've got the RV toilet treatment, They even got pods and so much more. Head over to liquifiedrv.com and use the discount code RVTalk15 to receive 15% off. Thanks to Liquified for sponsoring today's video. All right, so that right there is going to do it for today's video of touring this Brinkley Model I 275. What do you guys think? I love this huge open space. Really, everything is on the side, so it opens up this large floor space, which I absolutely love. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and if you want to see more Brinkley RV tours, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, because this is only day 4 of 15 days of RV tours, of Brinkley RV tours. So we're touring a new Brinkley every day. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the road.